Hey guys, my name is Billy and I had a request on my Instagram from Kimono Fashion and she asked how I did my hair, the video before the last video. I think I remember how I did it, so I'm just gonna try to show you today how you can do your hair when you're wearing a kimono. I already kinda curled my hair, just some parts of it, and it's just to have more volume. You don't need to do that, I just sometimes do and sometimes not. So I'm just gonna take them off. Start with teasing the top. And also tease your fringe. Brush your hair back and create the first ponytail. Make a hole right above the ponytail and flip the ponytail upwards. Pull a few sections upwards to create more volume. Create a second ponytail with the first ponytail and the section below. Make again a hole and flip the new ponytail upwards. Pull some sections aside to create a loose look. Braid the ponytail. Wrap the braid inside. And fix it with some bobby pins. If you have a medium fringe like mine, tease it again and fix it on the back with a bobby pin. Create more volume by pulling up more sections if needed. Last time I used this hair clip, but this time I was more feeling like for a change, so it just went for a big white bow. And that's it. お疲れ様でした。I really hope you like the outcome and don't forget to leave a thumb up or subscribe. See you next time. Bye!